Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best hammocks for camping available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Cutec Camping Hammock. It can be folded into the small attached sack, portable to carry and fits into backpack. It is a great replacement for tent, sleeping pad, ground mat, swing, cradle, etc. It is made of 210T parachute fabric material, has excellent anti-fraying, anti-tearing, dirty resistance. It is easy to be cleaned and dry quickly after being wet. The premium D-shaped carabiner's maximum bearing capacity is enough to support the weight of 2 adults. It comes with 2 tree straps, each of which is 10 feet long and has 18+1 loops. It is convenient for you to build a hammock and adjust it to your favorite height. At number 6 we have Legit Hammock. This double camping hammock has high quality stitching and nylon with plenty of room to spread out and get cozy. The outcome is higher quality, more durable and easy to use double hammocks. It comes with some double hammocks. It can be an exercise in levitation and frustration just for 2 people to get comfortable. Not so with the double travel hammock rated at a 500-pound capacity. Each hammock comes with an 8-inch polyester end strap for maximum strength. The end ropes and carabiners are specifically designed for maximum weight bearing capacity. This portable hammock redefines grab-and-go camping. You can just stuff the hammock into the small attached sack, put it in your pack and off you go. At number 5 we have Gold Armor Hammock. This double camping hammock fits 2 people. You can lay down with your friend or loved one and you will still have plenty of room. Because of the new 210T nylon parachute fabric, this double camping hammock provides relaxing support up to 500 pounds. This is lightweight and convenient. The double hammock weighs only 32 ounces and stuff sack is conveniently sewn right into the camping hammock so you never lose it. At number 4 we have Bare Butt Hammock. The 2-person hammock is very durable, sturdy and has the highest quality stitching for you to spread out and enjoy your surroundings, which is important for any hiking gear when backpacking. It's weighing only 1.5 pounds. The folding packable double hammock packs up easy for storing and is small and light, making it perfect to carry for any hiking trip. The Bare Butt Travel Hammock has so much room for 2 people to fit comfortably. And with a legal weight capacity of 500 pounds you can enjoy time with loved ones hammock camping. The Hammocks for Camping is attached to a small compact travel bag that comes with everything you will need to be set up, making THS a perfect outdoor hammock for any adventure. At number 3 we have Favorland Hammock. The hammocks are easy to set up. When using it you just need to connect 2 D-ring carabiners and tree straps together and tie the tree straps to the tree. The edge of the carabiners are flat and smooth, but others are sharp. The sharp edges may snag your hammock or ropes. The attached stuff sack is perfect for holding your cell phone, books, water bottles, shoes, etc. while you hang in your hammock. The nylon hammock is extremely packable and easily fits in the attached stuff sack. You can make the hammock great for stashing in your car or backpack while traveling. This 210T nylon fabric is high quality, breathable and quick dry. This max 500 pounds weight bearing and could support 2 adults. At number 2 we have Cutec Hammock. The hammock with net allows you to enjoy comfortable moments whether outdoors or indoors. The straps provide a larger contact area and are friendly to trees. You can adjust the length of the strap according to different needs. There are 2 hammock sizes to choose from, double and single. Multicolor can be selected. You can choose according to personal needs. It has a variety of colors are available and it is an ideal gift for friends and family who like to travel. At number 1 we have In Her Hammock. The camping hammock is made of high-quality thickened 210T taffeta nylon fabric, comfortable and durable and non-fading. The hammock netting set comes with attached stuff sack. When your hammock is not used you can fold it into this pocket for portable backpacking. Also it can be used place your mobile phones, water cups and other stuff during use. The small and dense mesh net can effectively stop the bites and harassment of mosquitoes and insects. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best hammocks for your need.